We dey talk say hardship dey for the land. The hardship wey Nigeria is about to witness now, this one, no be small thing o. The economic crisis wey wan hit Nigeria is going to last for 15 good years. This one is coming direct from Central Bank and the Vice President of the World Bank. It's coming direct from them. I will bring it up here for you to watch. They stay calm, buy cafe or buy anything, chill yourself and watch this video from beginning to end. May you understand where the where Tinubu they carry everybody they go. This one not be Buhari regime or Tinubu regime. Just watch the video before we come back and continue.
Okay. But implementing such a far-reaching reform is impossible without solid political commitment from the top. The price of PMS has quintupled since the subsidy cuts, imposing terrible hardship across the breadth of Nigerian society. The central bank has had to hike its policy rate by a huge 850 basis points, that's almost 9 percentage points, in the last 9 months to boost confidence in the naira and anchor inflationary expectations. But the central bank financing of fiscal deficits has finally ended, and Governor Cardoso has been helping to put Nigeria on the right course, on the correct course. But this is only the beginning. Nigeria will need to stay the course for at least another 10 to 15 years to transform its economy So I don't know if you're agreeing with me or if you're disagreeing with me. If it does that, it will transform its economy and it will become an engine of growth in sub-Saharan Africa, and it will help to transform sub-Saharan Africa. It's very difficult to do these things, but the rewards are massive. So this is the lesson from the last 40 years, as well as the experience of countries such as India, such as Poland, such as Korea, such as Norway.
My people, shebi una don hear am. From this man Mato, no be small thing. As he talk that thing, no say from vice president to everybody start dey look himself, because they no even understand where they are going. Everybody is confused. 10 to 15 good years before Nigeria go come outside for this economic crisis. That means things will continue going up. The hunger will continue. Tinubu have no solution. I don't hear am from the horse's mouth. So my people, as it be that this now, may you get plan B for yourself. They share the video. It go help other people get information and know wetin dey happen, because this grammar where they speak for here, if you no go understand them very well. However, let us go inside the Imo State and see wetin they say Ebubago they do for inside that place. No be small thing. These people don't do wetin they come back for inside Imo State. Just stay tuned and watch this video I'm going to show you, coming from our brother where they call Nsonko. May you hear wetin the Ebubago they do for Imo State right now. Stay tuned and watch the video.
Let us always raise alarm. Whenever somebody's life is in danger, we must raise alarm. Whenever somebody's right is being violated, we must raise alarm. Whether they or whether my government or we don't care. Just this evening, this afternoon, Ebubago, our Amago community, Amago no Oru East State Imo, Ebubago, our that community, shooting sporadically on the air. As I'm talking to you now, most of them no anymore here. As I'm talking to you now, most of them Amago no anymore here. As I'm talking to you. Now, look at the 3 men, Ebubago Kurula. Look at them. Look at the 3 men, Ebubago Kurula. Our teaching state, Imo, they have been denying. They want to hear the Ebubago Imo. They have been denying and want the Ebubago Nolo. But to chukwa kikabia mabakwaru makebe, ndimo bakwaru makebe, that Ebubago is existing in Olo. And Ebubago is existing in recklessness. Ebubago is existing in illegality as far as the law of the land is concerned. But yet, Imo government is using Ebubago in Olu. These three people, Ebubago Kurula, Anyamanana Nunu Jiha, Uanina Manana Nunu Jimada Tonda, Iha Ula Mereha, Iha Ula Mereha, government of Imo State, Aga Alabrunime, Iha Ula Mere, these three people, Imo State government must answer for it. Can you post here now? We are posting it to the website of international communities and United Nations Organization and International Human Rights Organization. So, Iha Ula Mere Ndia, Ebubago, Imo government, Unuga no there. We keep saying these things, and when we talk, they say we are opposition, we are being sponsored by this. You cannot sponsor truth. Truth is truth. You know, Ezioku Kwato Kapenso. Ezioku Kwato Kapenso. You cannot say somebody is sponsoring truth. You cannot sponsor truth. What we are saying here is the truth. Ebubago should release these men immediately. Ebubago Jinda should release them immediately. I'm a huno. Ebubago be like, I take picture uno. Oh, when you have display with your pictures. All the people who Ebubago, we have your pictures. All of you. So, if you enough is enough. You are done, John. No, 7 months, 1 year. You know, that era is gone. Now, we must get your details. And you must be held responsible. So, these men, release them immediately. Mune release you, huh? Mune release you, huh? Hey. This government, you know now, very soon, yala. This government that is existing now, gone Apple, you will expire with this government. It is a promise. Ebubago will expire with this present government of APC in Imo. They will expire with this government. So, Iwuronye Ebubago de Zuzuari, Chena, this governor not get protected. Now, no, we yourself got so we are so. We have to pay protected. Now, no, we are the end of his tenure. Or got so we are so. We have to protect because that time no more immunity. No more immunity. So go on and when ordinary human being. Zuzuari. Release them no matter turn there now. Release them now, as in now. Uneme here. No problem. Kaina ganubi. Kajinaka. Chukwo kikabiama. Bronya kebai.
Yes, so my wonderful people know Shebuna don't hear them. They don't talk am for here now. Come tell us say as it be like this, waiting this tiger base or both Ebubago they do for Imo State. You don't see them, and so it be. So we are telling the Ebubago, those of you who go carry these people, I beg, make una leave them. May you no go enter wahala. Social media get power these days. Even your government, that's a stage where they no go fit defend you. With people wey give you gun sef. Now so we be now say we can't tell them. They say that our people, our brothers and sisters from Anioma, they say that anything wey other tribe for Nigeria like make them do, they must unify with their Igbo brothers in Southeast. Say that they can't divide them no more, that together they stand. As it stands like this now, they say that Anioma is on a heavy move, but the Igbos wey dey for Edo State, they say the governor of Edo State don't talk say if those people go, say hunger fit buy Edo because the oil inside na there e dey, and that's why they need them. But now those people will get to make a choice of where they will belong, because it can't, because of the oil in their land, it will hold them for captivity. It cannot happen. Let us bring the video up from Nwoko. Senator Nwoko, may you hear him as he tell the talk. Stay tuned.
Want to belong to Anioma. They are not comfortable where they are. They feel that they are not Edos. And by the way, I discussed this with the outgoing governor of Edo State about the need for those people to, will he object to those people being part of Anioma State? He told me yes, and he will object because some of those communities are in very strategic locations where there are oil and gas. And Edo State doesn't have too much of oil and gas like Delta. And they feel that if they should allow some of these communities in the Banki and others to come to Anioma, that they will have they won't have much resources. But we know that most of those communities are Igbos. They say it, they speak Igbo, they are Ika Igbos, if you know what I mean. They want to be part of the new Anioma state. But the current drive is limited to the 9 local government areas. Just as I told you, there are still drive from people from across the Niger, from Onitsha, from Obaru, from Uguta, and Doni, that they want to belong to Anioma. But as you said, state transcends beyond religion and tribe and culture. So wherever we find ourselves, we have to make a home out of it. Maybe in the future, we can bring those in Inibanki and Co. Towards Anioma, but let's create an Anioma state first. Then maybe in the future, we can go for some boundary adjustments. It is done. It is possible to get this done through boundary adjustments. And so I'm hoping that we can achieve that.
Yes.
My people, when I don't see am, when we tell una say Igbos are very, very big, they are the largest in Nigeria. People tell you, because they carve everybody come out, carry different orientation, give them. Now I made they answer Igbo name, but they don't know where they come from. As it be like this, now say mo carry the information, come for your doorstep, may you know as it dey happen. But may they share the video for us as it dey happen.